Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use sum and sum if function in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, statistics, mathematical economics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the sum function. Now, sum function is used to find the summation of any series. So here you can see I have the data on marks. So suppose we want to find the sum of marks. So therefore we can write is equal to sum bracket and then we select the range. So here we select the range and then close the bracket. So it is B2 to B17 and simply press enter. So the value is 606. Now suppose you want to find the sum of male students' marks only for male students. So in this case, we use sum if function. So write sum if bracket. First you select the criteria range. So our criteria range is gender because we want the sum of male students. So select the range. See, it is C2 to C17, comma. Now you need to type the criteria. So it is male in double inverted comma. So male is written. And then you select the sum range, that is marks. So now I'm selecting marks. And then you close the bracket. This bracket is not required. So now you can see here, first is the criteria range, that is C2 to C17, that is gender. Then we have the criteria, that is male. If you want to find the marks for female, you can write female. And then we select the range for which we want to calculate the sum. Press enter. So it is 217. Now, suppose you want the marks of male students who are in arts stream. Therefore, you have two conditions. So in this case, we use sum ifs. So there are three commands: sum if, and sum ifs. Sum if, and sum ifs. So now we are going to use sum ifs command. So what is the condition? Male plus arts. So now you see sum ifs, you write sum ifs bracket. First you select the sum range. So that is marks. So that is B2 to B17, then comma. Now what is second thing? It is criteria range 1. So our first criteria is gender. So you select the range, that is C2 to C17, comma. Then we need to define the criteria. So it is male. So in double inverted comma, write male. Now you need to select the criteria range 2. So criteria range 2 is stream. So you select stream range. So it is D2 to D17. Again, comma, and then you type arts and you close the bracket. So it is sum ifs and then you press enter. So answer is 142. And here we have the command. Similarly, you can find for female plus arts. So how do you write the command? Is equal to sum ifs in bracket. First, you need to define the sum range. So select marks. Then comma, criteria range 1, that is gender. Comma, you define the criteria. So now we write female. Then you select the criteria range 2. So it is stream. Comma, in double inverted comma, define the criteria 2. So now we have female plus arts. Simply press enter. Answer is 176. So this is how you can use sum if and sum ifs command in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.